Hey everyone, welcome to the another episode of Ignition Kit. In this video, we will learn how to start coding in our Raspberry Pi Pico and how to connect it with our system. For this, you'll be requiring a Raspberry Pi Pico and also receive the connecting cable in your kit. This cable has two ports, one micro USB and one normal USB for system. This micro USB will insert in the Raspberry Pi Pico like this, okay, and this will insert to the your system. First of all, before starting the connection, we need to install the Thonny and Micropython in our system. Thonny is our IDE, which is integrated development environment that we will use for coding and flashing the code in our Raspberry Pi Pico. And what is Micropython? Micropython is a language in which we will code. For that, we need a firmware to install in our Raspberry Pi Pico so our Raspberry Pi Pico can understand what we have written, right? So now let's move to the computer screen. As we have come to our system, now open the Google Chrome. Here, write www.bharatiyarobotix.com. In this, you can go to the footer section of the website and click on the download button from here. Here you can see there are multiple options like IDE, library, code, firmware and circuit. These all options used for different things. Like in code, you have the option to view all the codes and the projects you are making. And currently we are in use for IDE. In IDE, you will see the option of Thonny. Click on the install button, where it will start installing like this. Now go back and also install the firmware from here. Download Micropython. So as both the things are installed in our system, we need to start install it. I accept the agreement. Next, create desktop icon. Next, install. This process will take some time depending upon system to system. What you can do, you can connect your Raspberry Pi with your system from here. Now let's disconnect it. First of all, insert this in your system like this, and when you going to install the firmware in your Raspberry Pi Pico for the first time, you need to click on this boot shell button, this button like this, and insert. After this, you will hear a notification sound in your system. Now, as a Thonny is installed, you can click on finish. When we go to this PC, you will see a drive RP1-RP2. This shows our Raspberry Pi Pico is connected, and we can install the firmware in this. Now again, go to download section, copy this file go to the drive and paste. Once the firmware is installed, it will automatically close, right? Now you can close the website. And once you have installed the firmware into your Raspberry Pi Pico, you need to disconnect the cable and connect it without pressing the boot shell button, like this, right? Now in your system, open Thonny. Here you can automatically view like this Micropython Raspberry Pi Pico with RP 2040, right? Or you will see the option of local Python 3 Thonny's Python, like this. Okay, in this case you can select to Micropython Raspberry Pi Pico board, this. Okay, and you can start coding in your Raspberry Pi Pico. Else, if you don't see the option from here, you can simply click on the run, configure interpreter, select Micropython Raspberry Pi Pico, right? Now select try to detect port automatically. It will detect all your ports and check in which you have connected the Raspberry Pi Pico, right? Okay, see, it will again automatically update. To check if Micropython is functioning right or not, just write print hello world. Okay, now you can run it from here. See, you can see the output as hello world. What I've done here, I've just given a command to Raspberry Pi Pico to print a statement of hello world, right? So by this we can see that our Micropython, Thonny and Raspberry Pi Pico all are functioning perfectly. So guys, let's end this video, and in the next video we will start connecting our sensors, LEDs and bits and bobs to our Raspberry Pi Pico. Until then, happy learning, happy coding.